Eating healthy and meal prepping does not have to be repetitive or boring. Using versatile recipes will help you save time and money when it comes to batch cooking and meal prepping. Here are 3 strategies for utilizing versatile recipes when you're meal prepping. Strategy number 1, prepping pulled chicken. Pulled chicken is a simple and easy recipe that's a staple in my home. You can utilize pulled chicken in many different ways throughout the week. We love it in salads, on tacos, stuffed in sweet potatoes, or added to chili. Strategy number 2, batch cook ground turkey. I make a lot of ground turkey and use it all throughout the week. We put ground turkey in zucchini boats, add it to pasta sauce, and use it for zucchini nachos. Strategy number 3, make a batch of Amish oatmeal. If you haven't tried the HSN Amish oatmeal recipe, what are you waiting for? We use this as a cold cereal substitute in my house. We also put it on top of Greek yogurt or use it in Greek yogurt parfaits. And it's one of the kids' favorite snacks paired with some fresh fruit. So when you're meal prepping, think about things that you can make and utilize in different ways throughout the week. You can find these recipes and so many more at healthystepsnutrition.com.